Hi, I'm Shannon Amos, and I'm from Destin, Florida. Seven-figure flipping has helped me move out of the working world where I was a W-2 employee to now running a business. I doubled our flips in a year. I hired one employee, and I'm working on 2 and 3 right now, and moved us to this year. We had $288,000 in gross profits. I really just didn't think that I was capable of, maybe I knew that I was capable of doing more, but I just didn't know how to get there. And I saw all of these people doing things, and they just seemed like real people. And it gave me the belief in myself that I could be one of those people. You know, what did I want out of life? What was my why? Why was I even flipping houses? What did that mean? And so really, it's just in that year, sorry, I get emotional. Seven-figure flipping has changed my life. And I think that's the whole point of it. So just to be able to spend one-on-one time with people every week that are going to hold you accountable, they are looking forward, and many people have been where you are, and just able to give you that structure and guidance that you need to stay on track. You know, we're really, our mindsets when we're entrepreneurs are just so many different, we're going in different directions, our mind. And so to be able to set the goals and to stick with it, and each and every week to have to come to your peers and, tell them how you performed. And it really just, it just kind of opens your eyes up to where your weaknesses are, but then also to where your strengths are, and to be able to again, just be with your friends and your group to push forward through those barriers that you really need to get to that next step. Freedom to me is time to control my week, my days, to spend time with my family when I want to, on my terms, to start my day when I want, to end my day when I want, to put in extra hours when I want to. Freedom is so many things, but for me, it is to be able to do something I love, that I'm passionate about, and it doesn't feel like work. I love going, but I also know that I can step back at any time, or I can, if I've got something that comes up that I want to do that day or that week, then I don't have to ask anybody. It's my decision, ultimately. I have always enjoyed real estate. I had a license in Tennessee many, many years ago, and I've always just enjoyed it. I love the design element. I do all of my own designs, so I appreciate that part. But real estate, too, is just, the possibilities are endless. This is my first live event in seven-figure flipping. I would have been to every live event that there was if we had not had the pandemic. For me, being live is, I'm just a people person. I need the one-on-one interaction. And what I've been able to get from the live experience is just something that can't be captured for me in the virtual format. I was actually here in Nashville in July in hopes of it being live then, and it wasn't, but I still came anyway, and I was able to connect with several members of the group who either live here or decided to travel anyway. So no, there was no hesitation. As soon as it was going live, then my ticket was booked.